Edge 3D, and today we will be reviewing the Kingroon Luminous Filament. I did buy the variety pack, so I got 4 different kinds. There was a green, a blue, a red, and then a multicolor or a luminous rainbow. I did use the green for this one and chose to do a alien head bust by IK3D. Links to all of these will be in the description. They do help support the channel, so please feel free to use those as you can. You know, and some people do say they have sometimes some quality issues buying from this brand. You know, what it seems to be for me is it depends who's holding it. You know, some of these people, maybe they bought some old stock and then they're offloading it. If you're really concerned about quality, check them out on Amazon. I do have those links in my description. I think it's also Prime for them, but it costs a little more there versus like AliExpress. If you're going on AliExpress, make sure you choose ships from US. If the price looks too good, it usually means it's true. You're typically going to get a 10 kilogram pack for around $100. If it's silk, probably 140 and up. Anything below that is probably questionable. Well, we had to reprint this guy because in my absence of thinking, I didn't print the one with the body insert attachment or the wall pack. So Jeffrey over here is just gonna get paperweight. Right, Jeff? Yes. So this was actually my first time ever printing something that required, to be assembled in parts and glued all together. Definitely buy some gloves to use while you're gluing. I didn't really think that through. Also prepare your space. I got glue all over, some on my printer, luckily only on like cosmetic parts, and then some on my table. And I don't know if it's worth trying to scrape off. And if you do use super glue like this, bare hands, and you get it on your hands, it does start to burn. So definitely wear some type of gloves and a mask and ensure you're in a well-ventilated area. And the first one didn't fit, so we are going to try the normal sized. I don't know why, but the inserts they just were like, no. It's a lot smaller. Like the head, that's his whole body. You can see this doesn't actually peg in all the way. And this can be one of the things that happen when you don't print the actual size, or maybe it's the sequence of the walls. This time I tried doing outer, inner, but yeah, I'm not sure why. I thought about just super gluing it, but dude's gonna have a gap and it just ain't gonna look right. I also discovered why his torso failed. I made it 5% bigger than him, so it just wasn't gonna fit. So that's kind of exciting. This is 100% scale. Somehow this is only 75%, and it's that small. Yeah, the sizing was definitely the issue. Locks in place now. I still gotta glue that. We got Slim Jim, Big Jim. What's up, guys? This could have been super gluing into here. I didn't really bother sanding this down or anything. I kind of like when your brain has to kind of make the illusion work, and then it's when you step away, can't really use the camera's too damn good to do that. Basically, you're just gonna put this on the side of my house to creep kids out and stuff. Hopefully it catches them off guard. It is spooky season. Yeah, that's pretty creepy. At least if you don't know.
only hit them with the black light maybe 20 seconds total to charge them. This is the Kingroon PLA Luminous Green. Works pretty good. And yeah, this design is by IK3D. Shout out to him. Really been wanting to print this for a long time. Just kind of waiting for the right machine and filament. But this turned out really great. And the black is the Kingroon PLA Plus, actually. So this is all Kingroon PLA. If you haven't tried them yet, they're like half price compared to most competitors. And the quality is just as good. You know, it's half of it I think might have to do with your settings of machine. You do have to turn the temp down a little bit. The link will be in the description. If you do use my links, they do help support my channel and my efforts. I'm just starting out and I do all this on my own. I don't have a bank loan or anything. I just use my own funds. It's been really fun. I think I finally found my place. And again, thanks everyone for watching. I will put all the links to the filament and to the model. I'll link IK3D's THANGS membership in the description. Definitely check out his stuff. He has a lot of great stuff. I'm probably going to resubscribe again now, actually, because of this. I didn't have any issues with this print. I was kind of really surprised how well it came out and all the detail on it. I don't have any issues.